Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find all the live videos you've watched on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're looking to revisit an inspiring live stream or relive a memorable moment, these simple steps will help you access your watch history with ease. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your preferred web browser by navigating to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. Click on your profile photo, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once the new options appear, click on Activity Log. This is where all your Facebook activity is organized. Now, under the Your Facebook Activity section, locate and click on Posts. This will filter your activity specifically to posts you've interacted with. Finally, look for the option labeled Live Videos You've Watched and click on it. Here you'll find a complete list of all the live videos you've watched on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your live video watch history. This feature allows you to revisit and enjoy those live moments anytime. If this guide was helpful, share it with others who might need it too.